Hey everybody, this is Beacatron again. Another item from Zoop that I've been able to get is mud flaps. So one of the things that you'll hear a lot of people complain about, I didn't really care because honestly I do off-roading and hunting, but some people say that the OEM mud flaps that are on here now are not adequate. I personally have not had issues with them, but I thought I would try a different mud flap just to see if I do get some better protection on the side of the truck. And it comes with detailed instructions. Of course, you can see I accidentally ripped it, but it comes with detailed instructions. Comes with the screws and a wrench to do this with. I'm not actually going to use the wrench. I have an impact screwdriver that I'm going to be using just to speed up the process. But it does come with a wrench if you don't have that. But these do seem to be very good quality, very hardy. They fit right on where the other ones do. So it does come with screws if you don't already have mud flaps on your truck. Since I already have the mud flaps on the truck, I already have screws already installed. So you got two here, and then there's one underneath here that you have to take off. And then you just install these right directly on to where that one come off at. So like a lot of the other things, I can't do it while I'm holding the camera. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the camera off, or turn the camera off, get these installed, and I'll come back and show you what they look like. Alrighty, so I'm back. I've got the mud flaps installed. As you can see, they look pretty good. They were a very good fit. And then the passenger side fit the same way, looks the same. So one thing I'll say is I'm not sure that these mud flaps are going to get much more coverage than the original mud flaps. Doing off-roading, it's always good to have an extra pair, I think, in case one set gets torn apart or something messed up. But if you don't have mud flaps already on your Tacoma, these are really good to buy. They are good quality and very easy to put on. Comes with all the tools you need. But if you already have mud flaps, I would say these are probably about the same that you already had on your truck. But if you want a decent backup pair, these are definitely a good backup pair. But yeah, so another item from Zoop. Be sure and check them out. I'm going to run these mud flaps for a while and see how they work.